Get your homework out.
Homework?
So today, who brought their graphing calculators today? Yours is coming today, but every group has at least one graphing calculator. That is excellent. So today, we are not getting our quizzes back because there is someone in the other class who has not taken the quiz yet. And I don't like giving back quizzes when someone else hasn't taken it yet. I just like to give them all back at the same time. That's my policy, so that's why we're going to get them back on Wednesday. Yes? Not yet, no. They will be posted on PowerSchool by the end of today. Yes? Just being excited? Okay, so, yes.
How do you log into PowerSchool?
Say what?
How do you log into PowerSchool?
That's something to ask your mission teacher. So I don't know how to do it for you guys.
It's school email.
I know that's
In mission. Okay, so everyone, shut your eyes. Actually, shut your eyes. So, here's what's going to happen. When I clap my hands, you are going to slam your hand down on the table. Because we are trying to see how quickly we react. I don't clap my hands. The reason for this is to see if you guys react quickly or slowly. Shut your eyes, guys. What is happening? I haven't moved my hands. Okay, shut your eyes. Ow! Let's try it again. Keep those eyes closed. Ryan, you're clapping. Okay, let's try this again because I'm also hurting my hands a little bit. You guys are just getting concerned. Oh, you're watching.
Oh.
You're cheating.
Right side.
Did no one hear me clap? Biggest delayed reaction ever. Okay, so do you think we all reacted in the same amount of time? No? What do you think the range of times was?
A second and 2.
Let's try raising hands. Yes.
0.001 seconds to 0.9 seconds.
0.001 seconds is like really fast.
Good. It's faster than that.
Yeah. Okay, so do you think we were all almost the same reaction time? Yeah?
Sort of.
How would you describe the reaction times? Symmetrical distribution. Say more about that. You don't know? But I like that you use that vocabulary. What do you guys think? Yeah,
Negative skew.
negative skew. Why?
I didn't think this one. Because I didn't think it would come up with that.
Yes, sir.
The continuum or because most people clap at the same time. And then there's this couple of people that as the time continuum clap.
Right. Or if you were like Nathan, you were watching the clap and then you were like, all right, it's time to go. So he was that super, super quick reaction time, right? Any other thoughts? Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'm really bad at this though.
Oh, you're not recording something?
What? No, I'm not. Is it not working okay? Oh man. Okay. So this one's really fun, but I'm really bad at it. So we'll get to analyze my reaction times. So I need to tranquilize some sheep. There are 5 sheep I have to stop. So let's see how quickly I can make them sleep. Very slowly. I was practicing, and I was alone during that one, which is kind of cool. Your math teacher is playing this game in her spare time. So,
Can we all join?
hold on. You will be able to, but first, what's our unit about? Statistics. All right, my average time was 0.3396 seconds. We have 5 times up there. Tell me about it. Yes, sir.
I think most of them are the same category, and like
Wait, can you say that again? It's too loud in here. Most of them are what?
most of them are like in the same category, 0.25 to 0.25, but then there's an outlier of 0.5.
Ooh, there's an outlier of 0.5. That's that guy over on the end, right? So we could even see as I was going which ones were in the same range because we had that visual, right? We can still see that sleeping sheep as our outlier. Is this a symmetrical distribution? No. What type of average do you think that is? A mean?
Yeah.
Why? How can you verify that? Hopefully all the hands will go up soon. How do we verify that this is the mean? Only 3 people know how to verify that this is the mean? Fausto, how do I verify that this is the mean?
If you add all the sheep numbers up and divide them by 5, you'll get that.
You betcha. Why isn't anyone doing that?
I'm going to.
Good. Not right now. Oh, can you grab her? Is yours for the test? Okay, I thought you were coming for the Stuco results. And I was like, you can't do this. Okay, here. Sit back here. Okay, so who's verified this? You got it? On his fancy graphic calculator, he found out that the mean is 0.3396. Is there a mode?
They're all the
They're all.
We're all saying words, but who wants to have a conclusion about this? Yes, sir.
There's no mode because there's no repeating number.
Okay. What would the interquartile range be?
You have to figure that out.
You sure do have to figure that out.
I think it'd be hard.
It would be hard? What's the median? Everyone's just saying things. Raise your hands. Take a moment to think about it.
Can we actually do that?
Yeah, absolutely. I like that idea. Let's all do this. Instead of just saying it.
I think 0
You guys have such big calculators. Paper. Yeah, you. Paper. Yep. Let's go. So, first thing we do when we're finding the median, write these in ascending order. Okay, so what's our minimum here? 0.265?
Yes.
Antoine, do you want to tell us the correct order?
1.267.331.335.
Hold on, too fast. 0.331 and 0.500. So what's our minimum? Min is 0.265. Our maximum? 0.5. Our median,
0.331.
hold on. Let's all try one at a time here. 0.331. Okay, get out those calculators.
Wait, we need one.
You'll share.
Oh, I got it. I got everything.
What?
I did it in a box and whisker plot, but it's tiny. But you can
It
still
is
see
tiny.
the points.
That's great.
Oh, I have
Okay, so on those graphing calculators, you're going to put in these 5 values. So we have all of those values in ascending order right now. So my calculator is the old school version of yours, so pardon my ancient calculator I've got here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go to stat. Everyone sees stat? It's this button right here.
I already did it for his.
That's so great.
Yeah.
You can help us out because you're an expert. So we're going to go to stat, and then we're going to press enter. So it should say edit and option 1. Press enter. And see how it's highlighted on L1? We're going to write in all of our values. So what was the minimum here? 0.265. Enter. Then 0.267. Then enter. Then 0.331. Then enter. 0.335. Enter. And 0.500. And enter.
Do they have to be in ascending order?
No, they don't. But we already put them in ascending order. And it's always good to get the visual for ourselves. So we want to find out some stuff about this. So we're going to go back to stat. And we're going to go to the right so that kelp is capitalized or highlighted. And then we want option 1 again, so we will press enter. And you guys will have something that says L1 frick list something and then calculate. You're going to go enter, enter, enter. And when it says calculate, you'll enter again and you'll get something like this.
Like what?
Like this. Right here. And actually, let's make it large. Do you guys have all of these values?
Yes.
Yeah? It's doing the work for you. And if we scroll down, check it out. We have our minimum, we have our first quartile, we have our median, we have our third quartile, and we have our maximum. Leah, you typed some stuff in there. That's it. You have done something. Yeah. There's a lot of excitement over here. Are you still excited? Yeah? Hold on. There's a question that you might want to hear. Yes.
I forgot what I was gonna ask.
With all that buildup, you forgot?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Okay. Well, so this screen right here has a bunch of useful values that we could use for a box and whisker. You're going to educate us in a moment. But let's go back up. What are all these values?
It's the mean and the other stuff.
Oh, which one's the mean?
The one on the top.
How do you know?
Because
That's what I had one.
That's what I know. No, because it's X and the Y, which means.
Yeah. So that symbol is our mean. And actually, that's the only one we need on here. So that X with a line is the mean. And when we go down, all of those other values are really, really helpful.
Yeah, what is the big E?
The big E,
that's the order, right? That's like
I don't know, mine's no longer doing things for me.
It's not an E.
I can't go up.
It's an E on its side.
Hmm?
It's not an E.
Let me see. Because my calculator froze. Big E?
No, it's an A. It's a sign.
No, it is an E. It's a summation sign.
Yeah, and what is that?
What's a summation?
It's just all.
What's a sum?
Addition.
Addition. Yeah. N is the number of values, right? This N right here, the number of values. So, Ryan, how did you get a box and whisker plot?
Well, I went
I'd ask you to show me on here, but my calculator stopped working. And I want everyone to follow along with this.
Let me find how I did it first.
Okay.
I think I went to, where did I go? I did not go to stat.
You might have gone to stat calc.
Yeah. No, I didn't. I went to, how did I get it? Oh. No.
No, it's just in scientific communication board. That's fine. Okay, can we come back to that then?
Oh, I found it.
Okay.
You go to stat plot.
Okay, go to stat plot.
It's do second and then press Y equals. It's.
Here, go up to the calculator up there.
Oh, me?
And you're gonna just tell us the buttons to use. Not on there, the one on the wall, because mine froze.
Oh. Okay, you go to second and then Y equals.
Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you press enter for the first one.
So go
And
out of this. So
you
you'll go to
press-
second, Y
You go
equals.
down to the box and whisker on the type, press enter
So we're going down to which option?
to type, and then you go to the box and whisker one. And then you press on. And if you go back to the thing you made, the table you made, and you press graph, it gives you a box and whisker, and when you press trace, it gives you all the points. So
Wait, dude,
this doesn't even.
Slow down.
Okay.
I didn't hear anything.
There's a lot of things that just happened. And Ryan was very excited about that. You want to say it in slow-mo?
Okay, let me, can I borrow?
It might be good if you're using your own calculator.
Okay.
Have you guys got it? Yeah? Where's the fellow?
He's going for it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So you go to second, and then you press Y. And you see how it has all those plots and stuff? On the first one, you press enter. And then when you go to type, you go to the box and whisker one.
So it's the second row, first option.
No,
It's the second
it's
from
the
the right.
fourth one. It's the fourth.
Right, but well, maybe on this one,
So-
but it is still the fourth one.
Oh wait, it could be either.
I think it's this one.
Yeah, it's the second to last.
It's the fifth one. Fifth.
And then you press on, you go to the top and press on.
So off is probably highlighted on your calculator. You're going to turn it on. You got it?
And then you press stat and you go to edit. And then you press graph.
At the top, right?
Yeah, it's just when you're
Yeah, and then if you press trace,
and you're going to press that on.
it gives you all the points on the bottom.